Hey, Sportsman and Scrambler guys, newer models. We have got a belt finally. We were asked about, do you have an 850 and an XP1000 Scrambler Sportsman belt? You guys make them. We heard they're great for the razors. Do you have them for the Sportsman and Scramblers, 850 and 1000? Well, the answer was no, but guess what? We do now. We certainly do. They're on our website. We have a special page. Click products, stay in the menu. I think it's going to be at the bottom, and so we have the belts there. We also have them on our products, our home page. You just click here for Hunterworks belts, Polaris. Scroll down, you'll see them. Not only I've got some of these pucks, but we are the #1 selling. I don't have one of the larger round rollers here, but here's one of our smaller rollers. But we sell more round rollers to replace these square pucks than anybody, probably everybody combined. We've sold over 100,000 of them for the razors, and I didn't even know, because I'll be honest, we just weren't in the ATV business, and so I dug into it. If it's got square pucks, our rollers fit it, and on the Scrambler Sportsman page, you'll see round rollers to replace your square to keep from wearing out that secondary clutch. Click on it, click tech article, scroll down, look at the pictures, you'll see what we're trying to avoid. It makes perfect sense. Do you want something rubbing like square back and forth, or do you want to roll back and forth? Should be common sense that we want to roll back and forth. The videos for the install part is going to be a razor, but once you get that secondary off, the process is basically the same thing. We got that and a couple of the few little items that transferred over from our UTV stuff, and so we just want to try to help you guys out with the 850s and 1000 Scramblers and Sportsmen out best we can. Please buy a belt. I bought a lot. It's invested in you, so please invest in us. I joke, I've actually had a person or two say, I wouldn't buy nothing to you because you're begging on your videos. I'm not begging, I'm just kidding around, folks. That's what we do. Life's too serious, too much crap going on in the world. Do everything so serious all the time. I like to pick and play. If you ever call, get me on the phone. If I'm in a good mood, which is most of the time, I'll pick a play and call you out. So I do the same. I always jokingly tell people, I punch you in the nose, throat punch me. That's just the way we work. So anyway, welcome guys, you Sportsmen and Scrambler guys. Welcome to Hunterworks. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Please subscribe to videos. Clicking this red deal in the description below is going to be a link to how you can get to the belts and the rollers that I mentioned. And if you got any questions or any concerns, shoot me an email, todd@hunterworks.com. Getting me on the phone these days is pretty tough, and so use that email. But I just want, again, I'm reiterating, you know, we're here, we listened, and we made it, and please buy them. No, you know I'm not going to sit there and beg you. I'm just kidding. And give me a holler if you need me. Thank you guys so much.